Hello everyone and welcome to another video. First, a little bit of a background before we start on this one. A couple of months ago I sent out emails to a couple of companies, the Onyx Books and the Ratta, who produce the Supernote series of devices, asking to see if there's a possibility that I can maybe get a review sample device to actually review it, because up until now I've been and I am pretty much reviewing only devices that I own. I don't have any connections with any of the suppliers, and that would be excellent if I could, but I don't. So that was my attempt and nothing came out of it. Until a couple of weeks ago, when I actually heard back from Ratta. I was lucky enough that they found the email, responded, and within a couple of days, in the midst of coronavirus pandemic and everything else that's been going on, I receive this, which is absolutely awesome. What I received in the package was the Supernote A6 Agile, 2 different folios, and an extra metal pen to test out and review. So I just simply wanted to share this first time experience with you guys, because you made it possible with the views and the likes and the engagement and the comments. The people from Ratta simply liked it enough that they had enough confidence to send me a review device for a certain period of time to test it out and share with you guys. So thank you very much. And now onwards with the unboxing. And here is the main box where the Supernote A6 Agile is, and it's shaped like a book, which I really love. The whole idea is just basically from the get-go, it's setting you in that type of mood. And we got a little book cover here as well. So once we open it up, we are welcomed by the Feel and Find first page, and then it says free and fun. And inside we have our Supernote in the protective cover. Use the bookmark to slot it out. Here we have our user manual version 1, which is fairly limited, and it's just it's in Chinese, English and Japanese. And we got the warranty card as well. Then we have the USB-C cable, and finally, last but not least, we have the pen. So this is the entire content of the main box: device, pen, cable and documentation. And here we have the star of the show, the device itself, Supernote. And yeah, let's just slide it out of the cover. Please do not tear the screen protector off the screen, and that's an important one. The device is really nice and a little bit on the heavier side. I love how it's actually built, and the design of it is very, very nice. So you have this flush white color, very nice plastic quality, and very nice build quality as well. Nothing on the sides sticking out or anything like that. I love the fact that the screen is not too shiny. On the back you have this lovely light gray slot here for the cover, and just a discreet Supernote logo on the back. Overall, it feels really good in the hand, and I'm quite surprised with this smaller A6 format, because it's extremely handy. It's extremely comfortable to hold in the hand, and it's extremely practical, I would say. It's a really a breath of fresh air compared to the other format devices that we are used to. Build quality feels really good and sturdy, though I would say that I've noticed there's a slight bend of the device itself. I do not know if this is part of the design, if it's intentional, it's the same on both sides or not, but when I used it I didn't really pay attention to it, but it is something that I've noticed. Now this is the only unit that I have, so, and it's only in vertical. In the horizontal one, of course, it's a shorter side, so no, but if it's not intentional, then I'm not sure how that would reflect on the bigger brother, the A5, if that bend would be a bigger thing or not. But it's nothing big, and I certainly don't find it intrusive in any way. Other than that, the build quality feels extremely solid. The button feels really nice for the press, and all of the edges are nice and smooth. And as I already mentioned, the format itself, it just feels like a good quality special type of device when you're handling it. It's a different type of experience than just another tablet, and that's a big plus. Another big important element of any note-taking tool is the pen, and usually all of the devices so far are really skimping on a pen. Not the Ratta and not the Supernote A6 or A5, it doesn't matter. The pen itself is absolutely stunning. This is what I expected all along from all of the writing devices, that you get something like this. It looks and behaves and it feels like a really high quality pen, normal pen, and you just open it up and it just has a normal pen here and you write. This is all solid metal, and just a little bit of plastic here with the top that can be unscrewed, but more on that in the detailed review. This is a beautiful piece of design and a wonderful, wonderful type of realization, and I'm really happy that somebody decided to go ahead and actually devote a lot of attention to the build quality of the pen itself. Everything about it is absolutely awesome, and even here you can see indented a little tiny lovely Supernote logo on the side. In the zoom here you can actually see the build quality, that it's absolutely flawless. All in all, I'm super surprised at the quality of this pen. One of the things that Ratta made was to ensure that Supernote users can customize their user experience, and they basically created a tiny little mini environment with the amount of different accessories. So there's like a huge variety of pen designs that you can choose from, so that you can choose what you like. And when you order an individual pen, it comes in this type of a package. It's magnetically locked here, so you just unsnap it and you open up and voila, there's your instructions for the pen. Same design as the other one, same build quality, everything is exactly the same. It's just that the print on the metal here is different, and you can see the variety of options on their website. I'm super excited to see that somebody is paying attention to what a writing experience actually should be, and this is a very, very satisfactory type of thing indeed. As far as the covers go, there's only a folio type of cover for A6 Agile that comes in a variety of materials and colors and patterns and shape. So similar to the pen experience, Ratta really paid attention, and they've invested a lot in making sure that you can customize your Supernote experience by using custom folios. And here's how that looks like. It arrives in a very nice box, and you have a little window here that shows the design itself. So this one is blue, kind of denim cottonish like, and this one, for example, is of a different type, so you could actually see what you're getting. It's also held by a magnetic strip here, so you just flip it open and you're welcomed by a wonderful quality in the design of this one, because the structure is so smooth and it's really lovely. So you just simply carefully open here. Let's just slide it out, get the box down here, get the protection, shape protector here, and inside it also is this lovely smooth type of structure, beautiful stitching quality here. Overall, the quality is just, everything you touch and feel is pretty spectacular and amazing. This one here is more of a different structure and color as well. So this looks more like a paper type of structure here. and I don't know if the camera is picking it up. Yeah, it is. So you can see that it's something between like an old leathery type of paper, but it feels so good, and you just have a very nice little Supernote embedded logo, which is different. On the other one you don't have that. The inside is pretty much exactly the same. Alright, let's assemble all of this, put the Supernote in its cover and a pen, and see how does it all work and look like when assembled as a device. Now, the device itself, it's the same on A6 and A5. You have this little latch here, or line here, that goes through, and a tiny little latch in the middle that clicks into this part here. You slide it from the top down, so you simply align this cover here to go into the edge, and because the build quality is pretty much spotless, it's super easy to do. So you just slide here, and then you push a little bit to go past the middle, and then finally click. There's a soft little click, and it fits in there. Then we just slide the pen inside, and let's rotate this here, and then you just flip it closed. And oh my god, this feels and looks so cool. I can't get over the fact how precise and how fine all of this is made. It truly is impressive. It's not cheap, of course not, but it is, you really do get a lot for your money, and it feels special. It's a special type of experience every time you use it. And now the heft actually makes sense. So now with this cover, somebody really paid attention, and the pen itself, it's just beautiful. And then you just open it up and it flips back normally so that you can simply write. And you can always simply unplug it here, do your writing, and put it back in, flip it back, and you're done. I absolutely love this, and I've been using it now for over a week, and I'm actually quite excited. Every single time I get to use it, I just am really excited to use it. The format is just so cute and practical, and yeah, I don't use cute overly often, but I don't think there's other word for this. This thing is just so freaking cute and so cool to use. You just want to use it all the time. And yeah, overall impressions when you assemble it, everything together, it just definitely is an ecosystem that they're talking about, and somebody really made a very well balanced and very well designed overall product. So my first impressions are incredibly robust, really oozes quality, perfect execution of everything, including the folio, the pen. Oh my god, this pen is unbelievable. But overall, the thing that really surprised me the most is how cute this whole thing is, and how much I just want to spend time with it and scribble in it and just carry it around with me all the time because of this small format. I wasn't expecting to form an emotional attachment so quickly with a device. Yes, I am prone to forming emotional attachments to inanimate objects, whatever. So I'm really looking forward to doing the in-depth review and a guide to share with you all of the stuff regarding the Ratta. After that, there's going to be a back-to-back comparison of the Remarkable versus Supernote A6. As always, if you've liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really does help a lot, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.